Ah, what a lovely Yasukuni Akane. Babe. Gotta love Babe. Let's look at some of the comments from our last Let's Browse video. Okay, Pip-Boy's asking him how to make suggestions. Hmm, yeah. Pip-Boy ordered anchovy. I wonder if I had a hand in that. Oh, let's see what Manuel has to say. Akano will look nice next to your Rias. You need to buy her. Do it for Rias. She's lonely. Hmm. And of course I had to reply to him, but then Chalk Crow also commented, I second buying the Akano. Well then, wow. Yeah, we've got some peer pressure going on here, it looks like. Yeah. So, you know what they always say about peer pressure, and it's like you're supposed to resist it. You're supposed to stand strong, and peer pressure it's never a good thing. It's always forcing you to do something you don't want to do. But I mean, yeah, peer pressure. You guys, you're putting pressure on me, even though it's only two of you. Come on, jeez. I mean, what do you expect me to do? Go to Ami Ami and pre-order her already? I mean, yeah, come on, guys. Like I said, they always say with peer pressure, you're supposed to stand strong. You're supposed to resist peer pressure. Don't give in to it. So yeah, don't give in to peer pressure. Bye bye, Akano. You know, they say a lot of things, but what they never say is what to do about peer pressure when one of the peers that's putting pressure on you is yourself.